Hello viewers, welcome to Learning All Tutor. Today we are going to discuss about an important device which everyone should be having at their home nowadays. It is a UV sanitization sterilization machine. Let's get started. In this video we are going to unpack an Orient UV sterilization machine. As the unpacking is going on, I will be telling you some important features of this machine and why do we need this UV machine at home. Orient Electric UV Sanitec One Touch Sanitization and Sterilization Box made in India. It has been tested at NABL lab and found to have 99.99% effectiveness against pathogens. It kills germs in just 4 minutes by destroying nucleic acids and disrupting their DNA. How UV Sanitec works? It generates UVC rays in germicidal wavelength of 254 nanometers, which is most effective in sanitation process. This UV light is costliest part in this box. The preset timer ensures the exact duration of 4 minutes exposure so that the light source generates adequate UV germicidal radiation to kill the bacteria and virus. This is 100% safe and reliable. This product is compact and robust powder coated metal body with safety switch and gasket for UVC containment. It has been tested and certified at an NABL accredited lab. There are many other silver foil box available in market with UV light, but it will not be that effective as dust can accumulate in that. This box has 360 degrees sanitation sterilization process. It uses two UV lamps of 11 watts placed diagonally with surround reflective ensuring uniform 360 degree irradiation ensuring 99.99% efficiency. This product is designed considering three main factors. Energy applied is affected by UVC exposure time and distance from light source. Second thing, maximum surface exposure. Third point, safety and convenience in operation. The capacity of this box is large in size and it has 34 liters capacity to accommodate different types of objects. Its dimensions are 13-inch height, 21-inch length and 12-inch in breadth. Basically, it's of a microwave oven size. This product is completely made in India and we have round the clock after sales support in India. They give 1 year warranty on product and 6 months warranty on the UVC lamp. It consumes around 25 watts of power. So how do we know whether the objects are getting sanitized or not? The UVC lights placed in this box generates a rays in germicidal wavelength of 254 nanometers, which is the standards in sanitation and sterilization process. So as this is NABL certified, we can 100% assume that it is accurate in sanitation. So what all can be sanitized in this box? In this box we can sanitize fruits, vegetables, watch, wallets, clothes, shoes, mobiles and mask and some other essentials which can be sanitized. And you all know why do we need this sanitation box at home. With these current situations, we don't want to go out, but we cannot avoid going out. We have to step out for some or the other reason, let it be groceries or vegetables or visiting a doctor. And as soon as you come back home, make sure that you sanitize the products which you are used and then only use that. So currently there is an offer going on in this product and they are giving 67% off and I have bought this product for around 4000 rupees. So to be honest, the only costly part, as I said, in this box is the UV lights, and the remaining is just a steel metal coated box. But why do we need this box? Because it is completely sealed when compared to the other box, and I feel that for the offer 4000 is worth it. If it is 11,000, 10,000, it may not be that worth, but for 4000 it is definitely worth, and I would suggest everyone should buy this box and start using it. It's better to be safe than be sorry. Thank you for watching this video. We'll come up with more videos in our channel. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.